Welcome back. Saifullah Khan, one of the aspiring candidate of the Congress party from Murgaon, has been served show cause notice for being a habitual offender. Murgaon SDM has issued notices to 77 habitual offenders allegedly involved in notorious activities in the area. Subdivisional magistrate in Murgaon summoned and ordered them to execute an interim bond to maintain good behavior in wake of election process.
Saifullah Khan, one of the aspirant candidate of Congress from Murgaon, has been served show cause notice under section 111 of CRPC. This notice is served to the habitual offenders involved in notorious activities in the area. They are asked to execute an interim bond of Rs 5,000 to maintain good behavior for a period of 6 months. We contacted Saifullah Khan. He said, "I am not aware, have not received any notice." 3 police stations, Vasco, Murgaon and Verna, have submitted a list of some habitual offenders to the SDM of Murgaon. Accordingly, they were issued show cause notices by the Deputy Collector. They were asked to remain present at the Collector's office in Murgaon on Wednesday. They want to ensure peaceful poll. Alleged offenders were ordered to execute interim bond and maintain good behavior.
Let them file the reply, then we will examine that cases and we will decide upon it. And if they are at all they agree with, they can approach to the higher forum, or they can file the revision with the respective court.
Will you be ensured that police will be updating their records?
As far as the updations of the report is concerned, it is within that the police authorities, because once we receive the information with regards to the anti-social elements and all that, we have to initiate the proceedings, or we have to determine on the case-to-case basis.
However, the respondents were annoyed with the notices issued to them. Some say they are cleared of charges against them years back and are pleading as innocent.
माझे 5 record केसी आहले ते आता काबार झाले 12 वर्ष झाली. I'm passport holder. I'm in Dubai, working as a security in Dubai for last 7 years. So मुझे केसी काबार जान आज 12 वर्ष झाली म्हाका, and I'm very surprised. So many झाले म्हाका दुबई सोन येवन. I'm very surprised to see this. आमी कितून activities ना मुझे criminal records ना मुझे ये ना केस ना.
एक 10 वर्सां केसी जाल्ले आमचे सुदरलेले आमकां परतून परतून त्या फोंडान पड म्हणून गव्हर्मेंट आमकां कित्याक घालता त्रासान आमकां कळना. कितें जाय ते भुरगे कितें बरे धंदो करता, कोण सुदरोंक वयता, आपले बरे फॅमिली काजार जावन फॅमिली करूंक सोदता, जाल्यार हे कांयच ना हेंचें अर्थ ना.
Advocate Ashok Naik says action by the SDM is unfair.
ज्यांच्यो केजी आशिल्ल्यो आनी ज्यो केजीस ऑलरेडी एक्वीट जाल्यात आनी तांकां जवळ जवळ 10 वर्सां जालीं 12 वर्सां अशें लोकांक हिस्ट्री स्टेटस म्हणून आपोवप हें योग्य न्ही. हें खरें म्हणल्यार हायर ऑथॉरिटीज पुलिसांचे बाबा समज PIN काडला किंवा डिवायस PIN काडला जाल्यार हायर ऑथॉरिटीजांक तांच्यांनी हातूंत लक्ष घालून ह्यो अशे कोण आसात पळय तांचे केजीस काडूंक जाय.
A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
And now news from sports. The new floodlights costing over 4 crores rupees are almost ready to switch on. All the 4 masts are erected at the Nehru Stadium. On Wednesday, the contractors were seen working on fitments of luminaries and cabling. In all probability, all the work on the brand new floodlights will be completed by Thursday or Friday. When these lights are switched on, the Nehru Stadium will bathe in 1,500 lux intensity light. World illumination giants GE has worked on the floodlights project at Fatorda after clinching the tender with a quote of 4 crore 8,62,000 rupees to outbid Bajaj in August. Although GE has failed to meet the deadlines on 2 occasions, the work surely is about to finish by Thursday or Friday. The new lights means that the stadium will be able to host matches in the evening. It will certainly boost the spectators' attendance at the stadium. Goa will once again be a regular host to foreign football teams. The Goa Football Association can now feel relieved as it can organize matches with big clubs like Benfica and also expect to get full house capacity for the big matches. Goa can also host tournaments like Federation Cup and SAFF Cup in the future. A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt. Host Babu Brothers from Bari defeated Shivam cricketers by 61 runs in All Goa 2020 cricket tournament at Fatorda on Wednesday. Rajesh Godke of Babu Brothers was named man of the match for his match-winning knock of 76 runs.
Babu Brothers won the toss and elected to bat. Rajesh Godke was the star of the innings with a strokeful 76 runs. Santosh Satarkar made 26 runs while Sawan Fatharpekar contributed 15 runs. Shivam's Gaurav Naik took 2 wickets. In reply, Shivam cricketers were shot out for 119 runs. Prasad Gaonekar was their highest run getter with 24 runs. Vivek Keni made 21 runs while Rupesh Naik contributed 15 runs. Babu's Sandesh Naik took 3 wickets while Damodar Lotlekar and Basavaraj Vadar claimed 2 wickets each. Rajesh Godke was named the man of the match. Our reporters from Fatorda, Savio Dias and Samir Bhatt.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.